every time that we came is different. China is a country that changes a lot, but what we can notice is the roots of the traditional Chinese medicine, this never changed. I hope what I really want is more people accepting it.
I started doing Chinese medicine because of my family, mostly because of my sister. She has a back problem that is chronic one, and she has pain every day. So we went to a Chinese doctor in Brazil, and he just put her pain away. Not even morphine could take her pain away, and acupuncture did. So I was just wonderful about this. Oh my God, I have to learn to do this to help my sister. And then I started to study Chinese medicine, and I found out that I can help so much more people than my own family.